Ndewo, kedu ka ọ dị? Aha m bụ Igwe, onye nkuzi ụlọ akwụkwọ mmụta asụsụ na omenala Igbo. Akara amasaibe anyị bụ www.igboschool.com or www.igboteacher.com. I'm your Igbo teacher at the Igbo Language and Cultural School, www.igboschool.com or www.igboteacher.com. I want to first of all welcome you to the Igbo Course 1, Complete Beginner course. The moment you log in to this course, you will see Bidoeba. Start here. So now, in this lesson, I want to show you where to locate your course materials and how to use them. Click on Ihe Ọmụmụ nke Efu, your introductory lesson that shows you where to locate course materials and how to use them. Then we would like you to complete the entrance survey. Just click on the survey and continue and type in your responses to the questions. This is important to us because we want to know you a little bit and we want to know how much of Igbo you have learned before registering for this course. If you're finding it difficult watching the audiovisual lessons, you can do a few upgrades. Download Google Chrome and install it. We've noticed that the program works well on Google Chrome, but it also works well on Internet Explorer. You can update or upgrade the one that you have already. You need to download QuickTime Player and install it. You may also need to upgrade your Windows Media Player. Just click on the link and get the upgrade done. These upgrades are free. Here you have a link to our Igbo radio. We collaborate with Voice of Nigeria, Lagos, to provide you news in Igbo language. The moment you click on that link, it brings you to our website, www.igboschool.com. So here you have the Igbo radio. If you clicked on it, the most recent news will start playing automatically. But again, the newscasts are lined up here by dates. So click on a particular date and you will access the newscast for that particular day. I am also international correspondent to Voice of Nigeria, Lagos. My reports, you can find them here in Igbo, English, and French. Now, your program is divided into 6 weeks. Izu Kaisi. So you have a certain amount of work that you are expected to cover in a particular week. Izuka nke mbụ. Click on Ihe Ọmụmụ nke mbụ or Ihe Ọmụmụ nke abụọ. It opens up in another page. Then click here to play. As you play the audiovisual lesson, you also have access to the written script that you can download and read as you listen to your teacher. Now, when you have completed the work for a particular Izuka, you also have Ihe Omume, which is your quiz. Ihe Omume nke mbụ, Quiz 1. Ihe Omume nke abụọ, Quiz 2. Ihe Omume nke atọ, Quiz 3. Click on a particular Ihe Omume and then continue and type in read the instructions and the questions and type in your answers in the answer boxes provided. Your quiz is timed. The moment you log in to the quiz, your time begins to run out. When you have completed all the questions, remember to go to the bottom of it to click Submit All and Finish. When you submit your work, you will have it checked green for the ones that you got right and red for the ones that you didn't get right. And for some of the questions that have so many options, we have programmed only one of the options in the system. So if you have not chosen that particular option that was programmed in the system, you may end up getting it wrong. But within a couple of days, I will log in and make the necessary adjustments. It is after my adjustments that you will obtain your final score here. But another way that you can do it is that you have about 5 different attempts at this quiz. So you make the first attempt, and then you can take a look at the answers that are suggested for you, because the system is going to suggest answers here. And then you can also take a second attempt or a third attempt until you get everything right. Now, in some of the questions, you may have audio files to listen to, and then like ihe omume nke atọ, for example, you can simply play the audio files here and type in your answers in the answer boxes provided. So as we're working on your writing, we are also working on your receptive aspect of the language. When you have completed, here you will be able to assess your grades by clicking on grades here. After you have completed the course, please complete the exit survey. Click on it and then type in your responses to the questions and submit. The answers you provide here are very important to us because they will let us know about your experience with the course, so that when we upgrade this course in the future, we will take your answers into consideration. When you are done, if you want to go to course 2, you can click on the link here to register for course 2. When you click on it, it provides you a page where you complete the registration. So this is it on showing you where to locate your course materials and how to use them. Aha m bụ Chidi Igwe, onye nkuzi ụlọ akwụkwọ mmụta asụsụ Igbo. www.igboteacher.com or www.igboschool.com. Daalụ, ndewo.